jacuzzi over here. Ah, very nice. Got an infinity pool coming down over here. We were just up there yesterday. You don't have your phone on you, right? No.
Can we go in here?
I don't know.
Really, Andy?
It is our last day here at Alani. Checkout day today, and we are soaking up every second of it here in the infinity pool.
Andrew, how do you check out the photos?
Swipe when you go to the main menu. Swipe from the left. It's an awesome infinity spa right here. There is the beach, the lagoon, super blue. I was not able to fly the drone because I got caught as soon as I was about to take off. But it's okay. We will be heading to Waikiki today. Hawaiian Village. Checking in there today. So we're gonna head up in a few minutes here. Take our showers, pack up, and get ready to go. Thank you, Disney Aulani, for being a wonderful hotel. Every cast member that helped us, thank you so much. Really blessed to be here. Spend every minute of our anniversary here. And yeah, we still got a lot of more Hawaii to go. It's only our first 3 days here, so 1, 2, 3 Aulani days.
Should be fine.
We're trying zippies for the first time. What's over?
That's Lanas teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Korean chicken. Chili Frank. I forgot.
Oh, you missed meat?
This is the chili moco.
Wait, that's mine. That's fun.
Which one? Spoon? Oh, I have chili too. Oh, here. It's okay.
What? right? Am I
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Got my over easy eggs.
Oh my god.
What's up?
Your reaction to it.
Oh yeah. Where's the meat? There it is.
When you're done.
It's not recording. Oh, no, never recording. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna try this chili moco. Oh, let's break the eggs.
Oh my god.
Break the eggs.
This is so good.
Okay. I don't think I got the meat in there. It's like a chili burger.
Different, huh?
It's a chili burger. I like it.
You know, honestly, in the mainland, I don't think.
We go eat.
Yeah, say hi. You know.
I got
I know.
the
Well,
bread pudding
he's
alamo.
dinner.
Ooh, look at that.
Why you guys do? He has thick accent. Well, he said he didn't move to the mainland until he was like 30.
Oh, really?
Babe,
Baby, are you gonna? I'm not gonna
Baby, you wanna try
eat
some?
it until you get.
Zippy's was bomb.
They have a wedding?
No way.
Everybody raves about it, and I see exactly why.
Just for like
But I still want to try other stuff in the menu.
2 or 3 hours. For the
RJ loved his loco moco. I liked my chili moco.
for like.
So just parked the car, headed back to the lobby to get our check-in. I'm kind of turned around. First time here, so I don't know exactly where everything is. Someone just pointed me in the right direction to go to the lobby. I think it's right here. So we got upgraded to Rainbow Tower. Man, we were hoping and wishing for that, and they upgraded us. It is our anniversary, so we are so happy that we were able to get this. We're heading to our room. We gotta stick that back. Dang.
Oh, look at those powder things. This is the lagoon?
Oh, I can launch from here. This is our room. This is our view. So Marilyn and I just took a super long nap while the kids walked the beach, and it's dinner time, and we can't find anywhere else to eat because we're in literally the hottest spot for tourism right now, and every restaurant is maybe 2 hours to 2.5 hour wait at this moment. Lobby L. So we've been trying to find out where we can eat. So we're going to eat Genki Sushi. Right now it's a 45-minute wait. It's about maybe a 5-6 minute drive from here, so that's where we're gonna go.
I'll show you.
I want to go there. After, hopefully it's still open. It'll be open still?
Maybe.
That's the Leopards in California.
I know.
No,
No, we're going to the car.
but everybody's there.
Round table. Oh. Excuse me. Sorry.
Is that all you can eat, Eddie?
No. Genki Sushi. Yeah, this place is actually really small. You want the inside?
It's fine. You can go.
Okay.
This is actually really small, that's all.
Oh, yeah.
It is a little bit smaller than I remember, but
And we had the counter.
yeah, we had the counter before. You just order everything through here.
Is it, are these canned or?
Huh?
These canned?
Oh, Samsung. Oh, man, it's so down.
Oh gosh.
What's EB fry roll?
That's shrimp.
Shrimp?
Dragon roll's good.
Maybe.
I'm hoping it's as
What do you
good
want, baby?
as Japan. They have our favorite seared salmon, garlic salmon.